Home Assistant versus Control4. Choosing the right smart home system can transform your living space effortlessly without complicated installations or limited flexibility. Home Assistant focuses on open source customization, while Control4 delivers a polished, professionally integrated solution. Home Assistant and Control4 are two leading smart home platforms with distinct approaches. Home Assistant is an open source software allowing deep customization, while Control4 is a commercial system emphasizing seamless turnkey integration with professional support. The core difference lies in DIY flexibility versus managed convenience. Home Assistant is an open source smart home platform designed for users who want complete control over their devices and automation. It runs on local hardware like a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated server, connecting to thousands of smart devices across brands and protocols. Users build custom automations using a user-friendly interface or YAML configuration files, enabling highly personalized setups. Its strength lies in flexibility and privacy, as all data stays local without reliance on cloud services. However, this DIY approach requires some technical knowledge and time investment to set up and maintain. Updates and troubleshooting are community-driven, which may be challenging for beginners. Ideal users are tech-savvy homeowners or hobbyists who prefer customization, privacy, and control over their smart home ecosystem, without monthly fees or vendor lock-in. Home Assistant's vast integrations and active community make it a powerful choice for those willing to invest in learning and configuring their system. Control4 is a commercial smart home automation system focused on delivering a polished, fully integrated experience through professional installation and support. It connects a wide range of smart devices into a centralized platform managed by intuitive touchscreens, mobile apps, or voice control. Control4 emphasizes reliability, ease of use, and seamless interoperability, with certified installers customizing the system to the home's needs. Its strengths include professional setup, robust hardware, and a consistent user experience without the need for technical expertise. Limitations include higher upfront costs, ongoing service fees, and less flexibility for DIY customization compared to open source alternatives. Control4 is ideal for homeowners who want a hassle-free, elegant smart home solution with expert support and are willing to invest in a turnkey system that just works. The company's focus on integration with premium brands ensures a cohesive smart home environment with minimal user management. Home Assistant and Control4 serve different user needs with clear trade-offs. Home Assistant excels in customization, privacy, and cost-effectiveness for those comfortable with technology, offering limitless device compatibility and local control. It's perfect for users who enjoy hands-on setup and want to avoid recurring fees. Control4, on the other hand, provides a refined, professionally installed system that prioritizes user convenience, reliability, and premium integration, ideal for homeowners seeking a turnkey smart home without technical hassle. While Home Assistant requires time and effort to maintain, Control4 demands a higher budget and less flexibility but rewards with seamless operation and expert support. Choosing between them depends on whether you value DIY control or professional convenience in your smart home journey. Choose Home Assistant if you want maximum customization, local control, and a budget-friendly smart home with no monthly fees, and don't mind the DIY approach. Opt for Control4 if you prefer a polished, reliable smart home experience installed and supported by professionals with seamless integration across premium devices. It's the best fit for those seeking convenience and expert service without the complexity of managing their own system.